I knew it would. Omar on the Bobcat, on the skid steer, professional picker-upper and scrounger extraordinary. Omar, what do you have to say for this job?
This is relatively simple procedure. It just involved taking out this brick wall that used to be here and derooting some trees. But other than that, it was a simple procedure.
So you're setting up these homeowners.
I'm going to set up these homeowners so they can
do some more landscaping.
New landscape.
New landscaping by the JunkGeneral and Eco Dumpster. Omar, president and founder and owner. And I'm Richard, #1 driver, veteran. And look, Omar, now we're signing off. See, who says the owners don't work? Look at them now. Who says owners don't get in there and get their hands dirty? Eh, Omar? Good job, good job. Okay, time to get to work. We're signing off now, and see you on YouTube. Bye, folks.